IIT aspirants, there is a big update for you people. JEE Advanced 2026 की रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट ऑफिशियली अनाउंस हो गई है। IIT रुड़की ने पूरा स्केड्यूल रिलीज कर दिया है। Here at Careers 360 we have covered this particular news which says that computer-based JEE Advanced 2026 exam will be held on May 17 in dual shift. The results for BTech admissions at IITs, NITs and other engineering institutes will be declared on June 1. I'm now going to summarize the whole news to you people. The link of this article will be provided to you in the description box. JEE Main 2026 के टॉप 2.5 लाख क्वालिफायर्स 23 अप्रैल 2026 से रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। रजिस्ट्रेशन की लास्ट डेट 2 मई है और फी पेमेंट के लिए आपको 4 मई तक का वक्त मिलेगा। वेबसाइट याद रखिए jeeadv.ac.in। एग्जाम 17 मई 2026 को 2 शिफ्ट में होगा जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया। एडमिट कार्ड्स 11 मई को रिलीज होंगे और फाइनल रिजल्ट्स 1 जून तक अनाउंस कर दिए जाएंगे। Over here in this article, everything has been mentioned for you people. General category candidates aiming for admission to IITs for BTech will have to register for JEE Advanced 2026 by paying a requisite application fee of rupees 3200. Female candidates and those belonging to SC, ST and persons with disability category are required to pay rupees 1600 for JEE Advanced 2026 registrations basically. Moving ahead, eligibility, as I have already made a video on the eligibility criteria for IIT admissions, but yes, I'm now going to talk about the category-wise percentage of candidates will be shortlisted for JEE Advanced registrations 2026. That includes 10% for the general economically weaker section, 27% for other backward classes, non-creamy layer, 15% for scheduled caste, 7.5% for scheduled tribe, and the remaining 40.5% for open category students. Okay, moving ahead. They have also mentioned a table that describes the schedule for BTech admissions. You can just have a look onto this particular table. The link of the article will be provided to you in the description box. अगर आपने सिलेबस अभी तक चेक नहीं किया है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, तैयारी शुरू कर दीजिए। वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपडेट्स के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें।